Meaning of Dow Jones average.
Dow Jones average.
Dow Jones average.
Dow Jones average.
Dow Jones average. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 30 large publicly traded companies listed on American stock exchanges. It's one of the oldest and most widely followed stock market indices in the world, representing a benchmark for the overall health of the U.S. stock market. The DJIA is calculated using a weighted average of the prices of the 30 stocks, giving more weight to higher-priced stocks. It's often used as an indicator of the direction of the overall stock market and the U.S. economy.